Here I have ELEPHONE P9000 and let me show you how to reset all DRM license on the following device. So first of all, let's start by using your home screen. Let me tap apps icon. Let's find and select the settings right here. Scroll down to personal tab and choose backup and reset. And here we've got DRM reset. Let's tap it. As you can see, it will delete all DRM license, so let's choose it one more time. And this operation will delete all the license on this device, so if you're aware of this operation, let's tap OK. And license have been deleted successfully, so you may go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.